G-port coaxial cable replacement tutorial. When G-port coaxial cable is damaged, need to be replaced. Take a blade. Loosen all the cable sockets. Take out the cable. Use tweezers. Remove the plastic cover at the bottom. Remove the aluminum part on the left. Gently move it outwards. It will come loose, then put this set back in reverse. Take it out. This is a separate one. Loosen this part. This aluminum part also needs to be loosened. Push back. This cable. The damaged cable is taken out. Take another new cable. First step. Insert this hole. Can fold it like this. Gently fold it. Then pass it through this hole. Pass it out. Then from the bottom of this side, there is a hole to go through. Get the aluminum part back. Go out through this hole. Then go in through this hole. Put it in through this hole. OK. Control the length of this cable. About the middle of the cable. About the middle of the shaft. The cable here is a little longer. Can be retracted a little. If the cable is too long, can pull it back a little. Pull it gently. Slowly. OK. Now that the length is well controlled, tighten it here. Then here, pay attention to the direction of the cable. Make the white cable face upwards. Face right into the groove. Pull the other cable. Stretch it straight. Slowly move it in this way. Move in. The white cable is then placed along this groove. Look at the screw holes on the back. After alignment, will fall into this step with a click sound. Start tightening the screws. Confirm tightening. Then, the cover. When the cover is put on, need to straighten the cable a little bit. Use tweezers to straighten. Put it in the middle. Don't press the cable when installing the cover. Let it stay in this slot. Press the slot in first. Press it in first and then put on the screws for this cover. The cover doesn't need to be tightened too much. If too tightened, the plastic part will easy to warp up. OK. Then, put the coaxial cable through this cable into the hole on the opposite side. To facilitate our installation later, then install the motherboard. 3 coaxial cable plugs. Put them through this hole. Turn it around. This single socket, facing the motor cable. Tie the round head screw. Tighten the skateboard. Press the cable back to its original position. This one, push it in reverse. Push it to the end. Press the plug in. There are 3 wires on this side. Black E-pin. G-pin wire is the wire of the pitch motor. Push it to the end and close it. White G-pin wire is the wire of the roll motor. On the left. Unsh it to the end and install it. Last one is the AMU line. Plug it in. Make sure the switch is on. Then you can plug it in, lock it up again. There is one last screw here. Then we put our board back. For the board, this opening direction is facing these three sockets. Because there is a small step on this side, so we first have the Type-C port in. Put it in like this. If you cover it like this, it will cover the bottom. Then reverse it. Fix the 3 screws of the cover. Okay, we are done with the cable change now.